Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, da. Yeah, the champion band I say. Ewa enyuma. And then you may chegwe a champion band and I ebomaya, you know. Yamama Joe, Yamama Tinase, Emra Kwaba, Esai at the Bagana Got Talent. Jumedia so way a maiden edition. Season 1. Enkensu and Keja. A fena yasha see and a fifth week. Fifth week. Na mekai will say, Wonoma was ya snemia di Jumedia Ebro a champion training institute. Champion Training Institute, na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center, and na Afe Anolin Royal Enterprise. Omona Asoya Senia and ne Yadi Jumedie Ebro. Na mekai will say, Jumedia, you know, Aduma Chade Yankopon de Adum Ghana mine. And yet, no, my mwafa na baby, and ye do on my baby shiamo. So, what Messia kind, Yen Shadie, Obedin kind. Inti Kosonat Nasi, Neshaye, na. Ye are ye chaya huamba ye ba ye de akabeto aso. Yes, sign Emma Makwaba at the Bagana Got Talent. Jumedie eso. Na Jumedie wo shamia a live e wo Kumawu TV or see Yanyara Yediemo. Na enen you know contestants ni nyina Juma omudi e ya dadem. And omudi e koyenchi. Adadamunyom and omode braye. Na omo abo mo homodin oma boa omo ho. Enen you omo say omo bremo the best of their performance. Na eneno yen judges are new more AD Juma Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumedu, CEO Champion Training Institute for CEO Afe Nana Boatema na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center Omo CEO and Afe Mustafa Isa Zeba and also a head of Performing Arts Department Ewo Center of National Culture ono nso ewa ha omomiensa ene enwumre omotene dwom na omonye edi dwuma me nso amedi dwuma de mu tia me medin ene kachi kwame bafo na ye to aso a ne ye frɛ ye first contestant no oye enwuma edin ene entase bembrako ena ebo ye ne din ene voice trumpeter yen hye ne profile.
Got talent.
Hello, people of Ghana. My name is Xavier, aka the Voice Trumpeter. I'm part of the Ghana Got Talent Season 1. If you want to keep me in the competition, you can go on Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent app, and vote for me. And you can also watch me live on Kumawu TV. this and every Saturday.
Okay, so that was voice trumpeter. Judges, Alhaja Mai.
Yes, thank you. Voice trumpeter. You've done well with your art. But on stage, I believe if you had Ben Bracco on stage singing this song, he wouldn't be stagnant. You know, you were stationed at just one place. You make use of the stage, but you were just at one place. Your trumpet, you played it very well. But we, the audience, should also enjoy it. And by you moving on stage, making use of the stage, we get involved. Okay? So next time, don't be stationed at just one point, but move around. Okay? Good.
Okay, so that was it from the judges. Say what person voice trumpeter and kajumedi anymore. For phone, no, download the Ghana Got Talent application or Google Play Store. Na afe vote Emma voice trumpeter. Ubetumi acheme ewe treho. Na ye twa jumedi no eso. Your next contestant and I will say. And you might go na adadem and a contestants no air perform na ye born alive champion band and a airbo. Your next contestant or ye or hineba kisinyo ma the title any ABC of love. F to the L to the E to the X. Flex. Yen share the profile.
Got Talent.
Dropping for Junction, now the bag you. A party, life no be game like Super Beto. Work hard and double. A Munya Flex near Ghana Got Talent to me daily worship. Two days in Gina Mucha, a App Store, and now Google Play Store. Opa Ghana Got Talent up on it. You should be doing Flex, F to the L to the E to the X. Ghana Got Talent. Can remember that enemy in the dia, Kumewu Ghana Got Talent, the best.
Got Talent.
Dropping.
Adobinio, Orokeya, Sodo Wayna, Amame Maya May. Flex.
A wonderful performance from Flex. Now the judges, am I?
Please, MC, who told you it's a wonderful performance? You have to be frank to your brother. Masa, the obey, you know, what time a cross on ye band no di kanye jaw. I feel now also follow and pekka abe join a band. Your voice, your singing, your everything. Where obi wa bontino tio, obeka se obi ne we dware a otonyum. On kase ujina stage. So I'm being frank with you. This is Ghana Got Talent. Who free him? Santasi Got Talent. Crowd we mean say obetusa anyumwe. And a Ghana Got Talent. Masa, you have to gear up. Yo ye dear. Ufie Got Talent. Cry bedding. I'm being frank with you. You know what the obey your stage movement. I say, Masa, Uncle Ye.
Okay.
Uncle Ye.
Okay, so that was it from the judges. Flex. Last week on social media, boss said this week be you. What the anyashe call Erade Adoma. Yeah, so Jumediano so your next contestant also Obwoba J.A. Adofo and Yomawatu din say Owom Paso. Alomo. Yenshani profile.
Junction, now the bag you. A party. Like.
Ghana Got Talent.
Kasahalimu wabemfo rap Husana ALOMO Alomo Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent ahwefo a mohweme me kire Ghana man ewiase nyina obi bia wo hwe Kumawu TV mesrew ade ba ko pena me hia efiri ho ene wo vote de hia se wo bekọ Google Play Store na wa download Ghana Got Talent application no na wa vote wa mame na mbom ka ehunu se dwumadie we ekoso me nda we ene me nda bia. Thank you.
me umada. Oh, paiso, na me way, ay, oh, paiso, na me umada, me mami, umpai, swana me uada. Oh, paiso, na me umada. Obrenia mani hunyi nano itwato me mami kwa so wanyo biara boano na me mami abreni hu sei obiara ni badie wansem ebia na de bekwa akoba ni se enewia si odoma kuma wu a oba di bai obeba beku ena jamio obeku me ma emanaka me kwa Ebanisanke be happy o. Ebanisanke be yemiya. Nanu amin to me didi. Me didi so be kata medio. Me tiasi minimum sano. So me mami ko wa petition na me di be ye mi so. Me de min sabe she mi dem reform akotna da chambers will be more bro. Me ye me ho ye preko e bia da me wuo no na manyo bia si e bio ti me de madwen amafa ne se da ma me be ko wuo no sada no ana me wu i ma me ma me wu paso are ho ti ga de afia kisu awu paswe na me suwe be wu mata o wu paswe na me wu mata o wu paswe na be we ayae aswe na be umada me mami wupai swana me wada
Alomo ene de adadam special judges Nana Boatsma
Alomo
madam
that is saying
patwe
no obi a wanya yie eye ntuma na hyawe and that there wonyom ne de frankly speaking, you are totally off. Me who say, oh, Tonyum now to Chrome Casana, ultimate flow well. But and then I don't know one translate. Thank you, wow. But for me, dear, it's a no. Try harder next time. Why? Thank you.
Okay, say what per se Alomo and Swaso Jumedi anymore. For our phone, on download the Ghana Got Talent application or Google Play Store. Now, if you download it, I know vote ama Alomo. Now, what's what you made so. Your next contestant, and you ma oh yeah, a KK Kabobo nyom. Ah, Nidin and Yame Ehu. Nidin at the God Son. Yen Shani profile.
Got talent.
Huyo nyamia Wenjuma fatao Oprimpo nyame Sanu nyuma yengwa Etiefo August and Capital Enemy Day O share my life O Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Yes we are say Obeko Google Play Store Now I download Ghana Got Talent app no ebeba ube hu picture okogo san na wa search in na wa vote ama hwe me me dey enemy me dey bia e wo Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Yakubu Inshallah.
Yeah. God bless you. This night we are going back far. 1988. Yes. Yeah. Well, let's go. Sure. Yeah. Why, I want to watch it. So much if you want to watch the sun and son of the Mudano. Why? So, yeah, everyone's out of your. So, now you're quiet, you're quiet. So, any pen yet, so young. So, Nimpa the same, what the better area, no. When you're me, oh, Nimpa was the better area, no. When you're me, oh, so. Oh, ah. Enya wuni ene kikane hun samia. Wonya miya wo. Enya wuni ya within a sin body emui. Wonya miya wo. Ebe ye na san tome. Nature don't condemn no once. Sure. Oh. So what come on know your time black. Can actually hear now chewing up in parent. I'll make grow so saying nas and you prefer as you may blood. Can actually hear now chewing up in parent. I can't add me photo from dinner. When I'm young, oh, ha. When I'm a boy there for Casampa. When I'm a boy to me, preachy. To me, preachy. One in your boy there for Casampa. I will also go for Namnarica. One in your boy there for Casampa. I will also go for Namnaridi. Why? So, 1, 2.
Okay, so that was a wonderful performance from God's Son. The judges, Reverend.
Hey, God's Son.
Sir.
Hey, wait a man 5. Bah. Hey, instrumental is now wow. Instrumental is now wow. Hey, to back way. Hey, send no pass and you vote to her. Ungo fieda. And ne, send you vote to her. Godson, performance, we are best. To me, why are dear papa. Why? Give it up. Why are dear papa. And ne, ubi bia kuye, we should also. Why are dear Otama shoe? Tessa, Odress and so dear Odiaku India. Oh, Yamin Shroud. Why are dear why?
Okay, so per se, God's Son, Eka Jumedian Mua, phone no. Download the Ghana Got Talent application or Google Play Store. Na afe vote si Emma God's Son. Na wanka Jumediano emo. Your next contestant. Or Yanyuma Nidi any Ostrobrache, Dr. Pababo, Ena Eboye, Nidi any Ohima, and then you may Yenshaw Hima performance.
Take it, and shout,
Wow, a wonderful performance from Ohima. I was actually carried away by the song. I just said, no, easy. Oma lazy omu boots. Young judges no. Am I?
Yes, Ohima. Ohima, why are there? So, but how old are you?
14.
Me who say no auto no dear. But emotionally you couldn't carry it. When you now follow love. Now you see how love is out. You add the emotions into the end of the betchel. Oh my man at 2 young con to say. How be who emotions are or the back home. Oh shall see an so to enter into live band. When you're radio or mobile band, you can say something. Then you time yourself to enter. Oba na musha siana uremu intinama aye kakra. Next time, that can be to your audience. Oh yes, then you enter into the band. Why? Why are there? Why are there? But
Okay.
next time, more of him. Oh energy no. They be a me catch on na basro kakra. Ochina me ko jogging ama be fa ni ko energy no still. Enye nru baby a penon. Okay? So more energy.
Okay, so that was the comments from the judges. If you want to keep Ohima in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store and download the Ghana Got Talent application and then keep voting for her to keep her in the competition. Our next contestant, all the way from the Bunu region, he is a comedian and tonight he is performing something about doctors. He's playing a part of a doctor. So let's watch his profile. His name is Ataje. Ataje.
Ghana Got Talent.
Atade ni o Ghana, Atade 1, aka Adia Ode, Eshe baby. Ghana for, Abono for, Asante for, all the 4 force in this country. Nsramo, eyo kuma Ghana Got Talent 2020. Jumadi na be shase. Saturday we here, be ni Saturday nkaye nyinala. Atade, I am part of the program. Say Jumadi metima kama nyo gyina so. Na ni bibi. Bo wura Google Play Store, na download. Ghana Got Talent app no. O download we say Kim. But Atade pe 6 letters. Boshim, I'll appear. Nensro, what go to a man pepe. 2020 Kuma Ghana Got Talent. Atade, I am going to sport there. Okay. Unim. Well, doctor no se kona no so hono. Doctor Hazua. Ko ka chere ni se me. O spinal cord here she wachi no nyin to ho. Na no nkoji caterpillar de bi free magazine. On fan to me be fix ya ma wale. Na wie ni wa man fan she ho no be hu jimi. Ah, mame. Mame nti dia wo awo ye nti aye ma wo. Free say ya te hospital 350 da bi aba ha. Wo kwa be ya de no yale. Dia wo ye hwani ye. Aduro tin short hospital ha ma tin ka so wo aduro wo fie ye nko wo ko fa bi aba. Ye kire se. O ya de ni se. O ho na nyina tutu. Se ba ka cho se ne ban hia aba no. Ye mfa nsra. Esan se ye wo honhom mo ya de. O ne honam ani ya de. Oni bibi. Ese bam no kota to banku. Ne fa bam ne ho nyina na fa frankunma ne mene. O ho beto wate. Yo bye bye. Krache. O ya de ni se. O ya le cancer. Mate, oni bebe. Ukodru fie sesia. Mon fichire o mudwala ba bia nsuo ni gogu no. Be fire bibi ka. Cancer na dru pa no. Anopa bia kosa bi no nwate. Ko obeti apo. So yale de nyade. Palamon diseases. Na ya de mu odru de. Oni bebe gina ho meba. Wahu party. Koto pad drasto ko ha benya bi o kosto bia benya bi uka koko na wayi pad ni nyina gum na wa hono da bia sabinum anopa awia anwumero beti apawate o so ko krache o so ya de ni sai o se wo ma na de be ba ni nyina be yare jonso muja o kafra eni ni bro ni se bere be kan se doctor me ya bono brihezia uni bibi ma me hwa de Brazil hand ba ye ba ko onso be nyina be so to de market ne ko to bi farmer be wate be nyina be sare ade wate mo bye bye.
Okay, so that was it from Ataje. Let's go to the judges. Judges. Am I?
Yes, Ataje.
Manager.
And then the one my man sorry. I'm surprised Dr. Ujina Hosa minim say we emergency ward no wo. Say we ambulance doctor. Okay, say at least otana sika kra wo act no ho. Whatever you do as a comedian, you educate. O educate me afem asre. Ne o kan ye ina say obi yare cancer onkonom kan o say den. Ebia obi hwe wo awate. Onim say no kre. At the end of the day, no mama phone who say what you are saying no is not serious. When obi anko ye bi. So yes, abu wan so obi akonom kan. Yes, then out you okohe Ghana Got Talent na Dr. Biba say konom kan. Can say dro. So why are there? But next time me answer more. Okay, and then have a nice message.
Oh, if you answer on can say me be kunipa. Nti wo ahwa so peso wudi akonom.
Okay, Ataje. Then your corona so your benum day.
Corona de send and there is a mohunu DDT mo de mole fra na mo de aka.
Okay, so that was it from Ataje. If you want to keep him in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then keep voting for him to keep him in the competition. We are continuing the program, but we are going for a quick commercial break, and then after the break, we'll bring you the next contestant. Yes, sign Emma Makwa Bebio at the Ghana Got Talent, way a maiden edition 2020, and a fifth week. This week and a fifth week, Mekai was a one of my Wasoya did you media Ebro, a Champion Training Institute. Champion Training Institute, so per biogas, biodigester, car tracking, and a CCTV installation. Brawonum Akache, our Adishia market, Obaha Ubenya, or more affair so, Ube to me after wonum, our 0244 568 912. 0244 568 912. Afei so na Kiyuski Massage and Wellness Center. Or si wusisi ya oya. Wetri bramo wuchepe wujonku. Baby biara eya oya biabra. Niya found to one enya physiotherapy. Ya massajo. Na wapom nsisi ne hoso. Ya wapatasi depo. Ejuniasi road no. Ufri ya so na wako Ambassadors Church. Eso. Ubetumi afraye ewa 0242 932000 0242 932000 Ubenya na Kiyuski Massage and Wellness Center. Afei so Anolin Royal Enterprise so per live band Niema sound system behind church instruments radio and TV equipment ope enubin so no so ba na kachia ubenya ebi omo able to Chronom Adonko Junction eho na omo butu omo number 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 ofresa number sia ubenya wonom ye to adwumade no so a ye next contestant or yes say bo amanfi enyoma ya to din se sika kankan ni din ene Paul G yen hwe ne profile.
Got talent.
Hey, we am boy Paul G. No, I so in the building. The next rap kina or Ghana. Mr. All said the opposite with you, no Paul G. Rap no. If you know sense you, Mr. Mo, we Ghana Got Talent. You made you know an asha, you know. It Mr. All's competition, no make a match. You vote and the Bama Kim. Until the way I say, we call a Google Play Store. Now I put down the Ghana Got Talent app. No. Now I should in a Paul G. Now I vote your man. Me das.
Got talent.
Hey, we am boy Paul G. No, I so.
Yo. When is the kind of answer, Maya? Yeah. I come in Pablo Ate. Namia Chanadum, I may be a soon biswa when you see Kappa Babia. Or the dinner Conodia, when for Sika Nina Printy, we see the Sika Kankai woman, Sika Kankai woman, Kankai woman, Sika Kankai woman. Sufrenya mene pe would ye nature so no Sika Kankai home. Ah, maybe I know what you want to. When you mean Chanadum, I may be a soon biswa when you see Kappa Babia. O di na kono dia on pasika ni kwa protein no wo si sika kankan wo mu sika kankan wo mu sika kankan wo mu sufrenya me na pa wo die na ja so dwuna sika kankan ho braya bedepe man yin ho kra ke sika semiti masola ho machi masay siati ediro jimese afasa pode balo baba masaya to me ho wa bele ni suyo nyina werade me phone din de kone mante sika sam ko bompa ya de beto banje me di ya jese mi ko hu na jamfante me ni fugo na kan te suyo ko nante hwe ebitiye ebintiye ebimudiye da ne bone wa mufie ebintiye onyame to se ma ya hwe ni ye ebintiye sika ntina me ya to obi ya beye ebintiye washasi ya papa ya hwe wa wie yasne da ho na enye concert ne what you see tabasi da che concrete about to me more to point out with the children pampers. And this will be your emptiness will break it lost. Ever yet, the wonders. For this will be the here to us will be hosting and my youngest watch your munitions. About a day by day. When I never to the toss spray. Send up a mummy at champagne. Just a kind of what it up per day. Life don't be joke. But I ain't saying I wouldn't cook. This a Buddha, you need a post. Ring at the papa part and such a book. Yamia China. Maybe I soon will be swa when you see Kappa Babia. Or did na Conodia on Pascal Problem Pointy was in the Sika Kankai woman, Sika Kankai woman, Sika
sika kankan wo mu sufrenya me na pe wo de no just no sika kankan ho.
Okay, so that was it from Paul G. Judges, am I?
Yes, kankan omu. Sika kankan omu. Paul G, I realize how you were struggling to sing. Performance is an art. Obeto, enyom no nyewonyom. Kankan omu na obeto. Send ye kobo ball, ye dress say ye kobo ball no. Sana obeto nyomwa. The environment of the song now obeto no. You act it around. Sisi what dress sisi ubi a washa but the career or kobo penalty. It's not possible. So obeto ade dim move to me they rap with that same costume. So God oba I was surprised na miss kase bi a oba e bibi fro. Na ade beto kan Kenya me. So next time no when I nyom no so try. You can't just rap on kwa e toda obeto nyom. Ya pono kra sisi otonyom so ede. So try and be versatile. Why?
Okay, so that was it from the judges. If you want to keep Paul G in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for him. Vote as much as you can. Our next contestant performing a song by Smart and Cancer titled Yei Inti. His name is Mickey Nash Boy. Mickey Nash Boy. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent.
I got to tell you something, I got to show you something, yeah. Baby, I got to tell you something, I got to show you something, no. Ooh, baby. Hello, Ghana, this is your boy, Mickey Nash Boy. Me, I'm doing the show, but the stage name is Mickey Nash Boy. Kumo TV, Ghana Got Talent. The patron self-person minka, Jumedi Juan, the Yobayan is over Google Play Store. Download it. Ghana Got Talent app, or just type Mickey Nash Boy, MIKKY. Now I Nash, now the boy, and I can be picture of him. Just boss to kick him. They put baby. O see me mpene. Afe me kwatia. Oba na ti church ya ni tu. Ye nti na ukasa baby. Oba we nti na ukasa baby. Eka we kwatia. Me say enu mi si jo. Kasa maya oba ni bia. Esu bi mbeda. Yenti na ukasa bebebe. Usi mimpini. Afe mikotia. Sene nye obia se oba onanti ochechi ani tuya. Yenti na ukasa bebe. Seka genkwa dia. Mese enemy sijo.
Okay, so that was Mickey Nash Boy. Am I?
Yes, Mick Minaj boy. Mick Minaj. Hey. Mickey Minaj, pa. Why are there? I like your costume. I like your entrance. We are doing. We are Santini. But you will find it difficult. Some of the words, you know, send you can in music, you can say. But now, turn to send you all kind of kasano. Okay, we are rapper. Otonyom. And the way I see Tonyom, no, ma'am. Because I are rapper and think I'm the better, but do see tone no. Okay, next time, tono, man, sounded like music, not like you are doing poetry. Why?
Thank you.
Okay, all the best.
Okay, so if you want to keep Mickey Nash Boy in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote as much as you can to keep him in the competition. Our next contestant, he is performing a song by Akwabwa Senior. The title is Mempe Nsa. His name is Tom Desty. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent.
Beat and one with free baby, no matter if you won't come with that one. I'm also for a case. Ghana Rabimu Sam, you depend to one. Midian Tom Desty, the mastermind. Somebody I say, Ghana Got Talent. You made the Nana Yasha say. Some of the same beginner much and I'm a some of the same as soon as free Jimunsua. For more than Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent app. We are no more going Tom Desty. Somebody I say, hey, I'm going to go to a head. I'm a winning set with the share the minimum water. Women that way, and women that be an ocean. Go to the Ghana Got Talent here, mastermind.
Sure. Yeah. Hey. Sure.
Okay, that was a wonderful performance from Tom Desty. Now the judges, Reverend.
Tom, why are dear pa? You are a rapper, but a bar that the moons no watch me say. Oh, I do much at the end. Nti baby I do be fabi anti me pese nyame boa me na vote to me keep you in the next week don't be no so me hwe so be ya dia na chese ma cha otofe nti na why are dear pa.
Okay, so that was the comments from the judges. No, ne voti. Do I obey to me be a voti? Now on card jumedie no emo. Your next contestants no or your poets. Na and then ne poem no title no say titi wobika. Nidi any ad shine. Yen shine profile.
Got talent.
If you are the master, and you see a kind of a fee, I would be a against it. Ghana Got Talent 2020. I was some person who keep him or competition way more. Who call Google Play Store. Now, one download the Ghana Got Talent app. Now, Pachomo vote man, Muslim. Indeed, to me, here vote to liberty in the show. Need dancing in the hour or more. Ni Pentecost are sorry. Thomas Nako Temple. Pentecost are sorry, Bia. Pachomo share me Saturday, when Saturday, Bia. Ewa Kuma TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Madam
Midiani outshine. Marin sama mi became. Matuni say Tete Wobika. Tete Wobika. Tete Wobiche. Ah, I'm in penny for say a true amount François. Na ya kayanum. Ampo. Kaneno na amagana. Amamre ni amanye. Enkwa nedi ehim. Awo mine. Nanso enne. Eba ne sen na fofi antoata. Natu na bemui. Amende inchima. Atu Ghana amamre. Ni amanye ejeje mui. Kaneno. Na agra hudwa yedi wa Ghana mutufu. Na ma pomodin. Eni jeni in kabom. Ba onyuantem. Agra ipiti se anto eche. Aso. Ampe. Pimpina. Mebo ne die kika ho. Nanso ende. Nini na atu ape. Ama kwesi koko agro na ende inchima edi eche. Nini ne munu de chamisumu. Eni chacha gra. Potoka se miefeni se my bed. Anuka edi nibre. Eni chronobo. Ne pay inchime isum. Ye dachi ebe kaya mani esenye. Titi wobika. Titi wobiche. Kaneno. Na enyanye ahudwa ye na nanum diebini. Edibi, akranche, eto, pewa, ogo, tobani, nidia kika hom. Nanso ende, nini na to ape esansi atranti. Konko munyane, eni ambrofo nyane na yechima edi. Enyane ibiti se fried rice, pizza, sandwich, nidia kika hom. Enoni ende yare ahudwa atu esite wo omaimu. So my Ghana be funny to my pa efra. Ejina mene also. Kaneno na ye nananum afadie bene kabani slate. Into me fra. Aso fra. Wahuna mina kata. Nanso wende. Ye chima afadia se sama and then chima mushe. Ama akofa akwesi koko die. And then chima afadia bene. Akwensha ye friend accident. Apuskelenke. Ama we. Bareback. Nidia kika hwa washa wo huguo media de minini se ye kasa ketesia etwe se kata hosie na afi ebane sei na ye huguo so my Ghana be fani tuma pa efra echina mene woso nti yan kongo fa ye tete amamre ni amanye ebi se penifo kan se mi se sanko fa wo hoi ye nchi ipenifo manuesi dan once.
Judges.
Yes, Outshine. Right? Outshine. Yes, your message is wonderful. We love your message. But always know, say, Obano from the beginning, Ose Marine Sema me became Nyananse Semna Obeto. In your speech and prize giving day. Do away with all those things. Oba, go straight to action. Try to paint the thing. Paint it. Adriane Ben Albodino.
ADB, akranche, eto, pewa.
Pewa. Oh, can't ni say it doesn't paint it. ADB, I can't say pewa. You know, it paints in the mind of us. But ADB, I can't say esasotro. You see the way it sounds, no? So we don't see it. Okay? So next time, work on the painting. Relax. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, so that was the judges' comments. If you want to keep Outshine in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then vote for Outshine to keep her in the competition. Our next contestant is performing a song by Akwabwa Senior entitled Arechitre, and his name is Tikali. Let's watch his profile.
Got Talent.
The boys Tikali won the MIC. Men right. Ghana Got Talent to Medina Barcelona. Me force us in the country and never for. Me had a between them sign them sign rapid. So when you that that. Me men that way. Enemy men that biara. E will come out TV. Ghana Got Talent. Mr. Robert Market Medina. Rapid store. So down the Ghana Got Talent app. statistically and one STICALLY. Yet then vote, it's no vote. Was Mammy Diablo, Ashanti mine, that was.
Call me Stickally. Made us so you know. Ankasa na mi do. Na feba no say odo ko enja binya deini. Enti kadi wani na minu wana. Ana say mi ngo sha konfo. Enti se obi do wa wana. Na idea woki kanu na minti o. Are chichire mi do unim se efironi pa wo. Ababa we enyi mi mo. If you say he na no ya di konsu oni ba na say o. Sophie ensu onu shia gudia en say shukra. Enyi mi mo si mi wan butre. Enti na me ya obiano fa no sa o. Tiena mbenu swa necho na fe ya de nu ama matamfo nyami o are chichire mi do winim se efironi pa ho baba we enyi mi ma o efi se ina no ya di konsu ne ba na se yo Sophie esu oni shia gudia en se shikura are chichire mi do winim se efironi pa ho baby enyi mi mo efi se ina no ya di konsu ne ba na se yo Sophie Okay, so that was a wonderful performance from Stickally. Judges.
Stickally, made the last ending in a bed, Judge. Pitch now, pitch and idiot was wrong. Ube free key nimukra. Aden. Offense so now, who say a other them now. In the end, where you ran to some of them gakra. Oh. What to jump come on, baby, we are nephew, or pitch in a different tone cry. Ade. Now, open one. A free one, BC 8 in the way, dear. Ne free 8, about 10, no, why wait? Yamenka.
Okay. If you want to keep Stickally in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on Google Play Store, and then continue voting for him. Your next contestants, no Ashanti region, no free. Sabronum, no free. And a wayan your man. A matchy de day, and a boy, ya two dins a san croma. Nidin and a spanky. Yan shiny profile.
Got Talent.
Yeah. Minimum dada, some Jimmy, Yana, me better when you actually make a spanky. Rap na me teacher when I be who but hitting that and with them and I'm sending your comedy. My arm strong and sir. This is your boy Spanky, call me Rap Panther. You are watching me live on Kumawu TV, Ghana Got Talent. So I say me can do my man. And once you over Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent app. DM, ube me picture. Just click on it. Vote for me. Share me live this and every Saturday on Kumawu TV, Ghana Got Talent.
Yeah, Kwame Rapanta, yeah. And yes, a mini and a bin a miniature. We will be able to make a contra. Now, come on, baby, this year, my bed and aqua. The person will come at you to my bush yankra. The Becca was empty, was so many tears. May I walk, see the honey mini fee. We will be chroma, coming up through my boy. Mobrowa, the same name is Temperature. Spanky, fear no messy be. Florida Castle, Bush, be a betobi. Will be a becoming and fish a honor now you're free. Yeah, hey, dance and kurame.
Adia Comeni. Ah, Amoa Sansan Croma. Onina Woniacha. Into your name, Remo. Yeah. Or see baby and any back candle. No, they why any fear. Me, baby, I won't see me. Nianme, Sansan Croma. Baby, I'm a woman. Sansan Kurome. Me, baby, I'm see me. Abba. Spunky. Judges. Nana Boatema.
Wow. Spunky. That was marvelous. Everything was perfect. Stage, your words, everything. Even the one you created, I don't even know what to say. I'm short of words. Wow. God bless you.
Amen. Okay, so if you want to keep Spunky in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote as much as you can to keep him in. Our next contestant is performing a song by Ashanti Brothers entitled Woyonko Da Enewoda. His name is Minister Treasure. Let's watch his profile.
Ebenezer, the Radidi Maba Baby. Hey, Minister Treasure. Maba, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Mr. Mo, Demia, I vote. Kumasimai, Buedi, Emena, and an important take. Call Google Play Store, I will phone also. Download the app on Ghana Got Talent app. Neshe Minister Treasure. Ne vote, Mammy. Now vote here, Miss Me New Rambo. Dear Erade dia domino, me pu am wawu. Ya me on shout, say ube vote ya mami. Me mean that way, and me mean that be a shame you Kumawood Ghana Got Talent. Ya go for shout. Ebenezer, the Erade di Maba Baby.
And I need better than you. Monsieur Dear Kushamubio. Onyonko Danoda. Okoto Sonyonko Wakemwa. Ah, and now where to come, I know. Onyonko Danoda. Okoto Sonyonko Wachina. Ah, and now where to come, I know. Onyonko Danoda.
Okay, a wonderful performance from Minister Treasure. Judges, am I?
Yes, Minister Treasurer. I say when you na short mami. Me enjoy ya na wentai. Why are there? You have the voice. You are very good with the instruments. Your look also a yetiti senior hospital. Come on. Why are there? I love it. Okay, keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was the judges' comments. If you want to keep Minister Treasure in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then continue voting to keep him in. Our next contestant is a dancer. He's a dancer all the way from Accra, from the Central Region. His name is Dance Like a Bobia. Let's watch his profile.
Hello Ghanaians, I go by the name Dance Like a Bobia. Ghana Got Talent 2020 Season 1, Kupadi Bijinum. Sepele Esham this Saturday, every Saturday they will come out TV. Unless you vote, Kupadi Votima. Every voter, call Google Play Store, not download Ghana Got Talent application app. Boom, your pictures in install, boom, your pictures in just vote for Dance Like a Bobia. Shame of information, talk, man, chassis. Votima. Hello, Ghanaians.
A wonderful performance from Abobia. Judges.
Why are there? I saw there in him say Unimasa. But then also na omo ye yada them. Enti nanka ye be prefer senka besa ada dem asa. But all the same no asa there in him say oya there wa asa ho. Enti me ano de bia na me kan say se obi hwe Ghana Got Talent no probia woni mu support person obesa woni bibia asema na come for dance like a bobia because we are a very good dancer because enyum bia obetimi asa but na never see a challenge with adadem na me adadem asa because ka o yanka instrumentalist ni betimi abo adadem ama obi betimi abegina backstage atojomo no ama o ma abo ama wasa nanka one so etimi dia challenge and say yes e bind na dem asa o ya de but all the same you know you are good. Thank you.
Okay, so that was the comments from the judges. If you want to keep Dance Like a Bobby in the competition, for our phone, no, go Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent application, no, never Timano, na oncome. Our next contestant is from Accra and is performing a song by Boachi Abijan. And the title of the song is Meko Ama Obiaba. His name is A.D. Boy. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent.
Yeah. It's AD Boy. It's here for way Munia AD Boy. Moba AD Boy. I'll be to me friend Douglas Amanfo. I'm sure where Kumewood Ghana Got Talent season 1. The person who make a competition. It's me so person who go to Mamia. Download the Ghana Got Talent app no. Or Google Play Store. Now what's searching for me? Douglas Amanfo, AD Boy, now waiting me about your mammy. Shall me remember that way, any memory that we are. Ewa Kumewood TV, Ghana Got Talent, season 1. Madam.
Oh. Why? And your picture. Mekwa mo bia ba kan ya o picture me. And I'm a bisum bia ye we see mo. And I wa ye we me bonya ya oni panye. And ya so man ma usro. Mekwa mo bia ba kan ya o picture me. And I'm a bisum bia ye we see mo. And I wa ye we me bonya ya oni panye. And so man ma usro. I'm a cautious, as I say, yeah. So, would you call on us? Ma oyonko se onwe ne wiase mu ye de wanya woda na fanya unia ameko sese esanse ye ya na odi kawano na sanya woda enyi ma oyonko se onwe ne wiase mu ye de wanya woda na fanya unia na mo bia ba kan ya o petre. And I'm all be soon, we are seeing way. And now I we me bonya, only penny. And then be a man who show. Mekamo be a back and I'll better me. And I'm all be soon, and now I we me bonya, only penny. And I'm just a man who show.
Okay. Judges. Am I?
Yes. Eddie Boy, right?
Yes, please.
Yes. You are very good. You have the voice. O modulate. Come on. So, I did him na pabo emi nim say. Ufrin cry on.
That's right.
What a bank can promise.
That's right.
Oh, okay. No wonder. Me hear pabo na me hu baby are free. Why are there? You are very good, but make use of the stage. You are standing at one place. Move around so that we enjoy you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep AD Boy in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and vote as much as you can for him to keep him in the competition. Our next contestants performing a Rama Bedu song, Medofo Adadame. That is the title of the song, all the way from Accra. Let's watch the profile of Zara.
Got talent.
Let's get set, ready, go. You take my arm, make it carry, go. tell them, girl, let me get it up. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I want to feel it in my belly up. It's big, y'all. It's your girl Zara Santua Owusu. You can call me Zara. I'm in a competition running Ghana Got Talent. Before you go, you have to download the app on Google Play Store. Ghana Got Talent. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Okay, that was a wonderful performance from Zara. Judges, Reverend.
Zara, and then they now of him no for more. Her voice is very good. Of costume, no, why are dear? But not of him and Casa our form. It's a mess, say, Malvim no Emra more, mammy, why? By may show telling me no what idea do dress or no idea. I mean, Shiran, what's it? And now your voice was very good. Key alpha and no sweat, wow, but of him and Kwan and no form. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep Zara in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and on the Apple Store to keep voting for her to stay in the competition. Our next contestant, he is from the Western North region. Seriyo so akontomra ehon we free. Or to amati de denyoma ya to din say ohoho batani. Ni din any dance right. Yen share the profile.
Got talent.
I will lay God fight. I will always treat you right. So be my ride or die. Hello Ghana, it's your boy, Dam's Right, and I'm part of Kumau TV Ghana Got Talent 2020. What's my mom Niaji? I want you to download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 app on Google Play Store. What download do we are search Dam's Right. Vote as many times as you can. Tournament, that means stay in the competition. We are bringing you the best, and I promise to bring you the best. Watch me on Kumau TV this and every Saturday, Ghana Got Talent 2020. Le, 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 le.
Serious. Abba. Hey. Hey. Auntie Nana, what am I? Abrabody about time too. Yay. Ajay, yay. Hey. Solo. In such a way, you rent. He mako. Oh, about 10 years and ya mako. Ajay. Mami was a woody assassin. Ajay. Such a way, you rent. He mako. Oh, about 10 years and ya mako. Hey, so diasa. Aba, sorry diasa. Mi fi baby na buy ese. Mi be pesika. Akwanto ma me buy e. E ma ye dina ma me. Me jimi hu enyo. Ye dance right here. Oh, about 10 years and ya mako. Ah, so Mi fi baby na buy ese. Mi be Jimmy D. Ghana Got Talent. E maya dina mame. Mi Jimmy when you. Bo ba 10 years. Oh, ba 10 years anye ya meko. Ah. Mi fi baby na buy ese. Mi be Jimmy D. Ghana Got Talent. E maya dina mame. Vote him ma. Ye me ya den. Oh, about 10 years and ya meko. Hey, so. It's your tattoo way you rent. He mako. Oh, about 10 years and ya. It's your tattoo way you rent. Ye mako. Oh, about 10 years and ya. It's your tattoo way you rent. Ye mako. Oh, about 10 years and yeah, Meko.
Okay, a wonderful performance from Dance Right. Nana Boatima.
Dance Right.
Auntie Nana.
That was a good performance.
Thank you.
I like your dressing.
But that's.
You should know, so you come up.
Come up.
Everything was perfect. Keep it up. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, Dance Right. Anye ya ebeko.
By Yankoy.
Okay, so if you want to keep Dance Right in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then keep voting for him to let him stay in the competition. Our next contestant, he's performing a song by Sloppy Mike Jemfi entitled Asem Kakra Mekaye. His name is Rockstar Jr. Let's watch his profile.
Got Talent.
Hello Ghana, I'm Forsen K. Brown, but I go by the name Rockstar Jr. as you see. Ghana Got Talent Season 1 and of course Raja Tomus Mumu. Baby, so you're the mammy. So far for now, Google Play Store, one download the Ghana Got Talent app. The way I say, Ubima, Ubu baby, but keep on selecting Ubumia, Forsen K. Brown, and answer Rockstar Jr. Also, the Boatman Monsieur. Sheme, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Saturday Beya, any Saturday Bia, oh, Kumawu TV, Ghana Got Talent. One come with me, the Empress my mamma. Rockstar.
Hey, Rockstar Junior Day for you guys. I said, we are seeing here. Mekaya, Entiana Wayeti. Semi Kakra Mekaya, Entiana Wayeko. Argentina, Wayeko, Odekasa. so unkuma Edientina was someone a day cassa and my wretched for you and I know Quesiata Namini on 31 every drink come on and promote anymore make a sembi as a man make I know Sana with a full anti-asia Semenyanitia everywhere oh and Semetintiswa everywhere and so now say Adonia sisami Adoka sasamia Sebibina Maya Kachana Misiso I say me Kakra Mikaya Entiana Waiti I say me Kakra Mikaya Entiana Waiko
Okay, a wonderful performance from Rockstar Junior. I see the judges on their feet and saluting you. Not just any day. Am I? Rockstar.
Hey, Rockstar. Ade, wako benia bana.
By grace.
Hey. Oh, Rockstar, clap for yourself. Seriously. And that dear, me teach a man. Rockstar, your intro. Whilst waiting for the band to start with the main AE, you did your own intro wonderfully. Why are there? And then me point my left why? Oh, never my left, man for taxi. My left.
Okay. Rockstar.
Rockstar Junior to the world. Rockstar.
Hey. Sir, what person Rockstar Junior and Jumedi anymore for phone and download the Ghana Got Talent application no. Ne vote mano na say na said the idea needs to can call chrono say one shot up a munsuya not say asamo ya to into Rockstar wako beni aba your next contestant or yenyuma ampofo J and a boy yeah that's so if you do good nidi any easy yenshwe ne profile
Ghana for easy me wo Ghana Got Talent to medi me say wo say wo di vote every time mechi now be call Google Play Store no download the Ghana Got Talent application no e wo ho no vote di ama me Saturday bi e ya hweme e wo kuma wuti na me be hira ya sa fa boa me na me ntimi ningunim e wo dwumedi na me hira Ghana for easy me wo
We are papa, we are fat, we are fat, we are fat, we are bunny and we are fat. Oh, Esawara, if you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself. Yeah, we be a no ashani yaka. Asasi ya tesui, eye kukrua, e chane wabibia, e cause I'm missing a tea. It's a watch jump. Oh, yeah, baby, I am the pa. Nani will be the way, and no one will be try. Oh. As I say it to say, a kukua, a channel, Bribia, cause I'm missing a chick. It's a watch jump. Oh, yeah, baby, I am the power. Near will be the and no one will be try. Akwa bit nasi, sabi no ya yarefo. Oya sasrefo, and on the namon crofo so. Sasre duane die, se woman aduane, and a woman is sika. One money baby umpa, asemba kupe, na yo kachire wo. Or say if you do good, you do for yourself. Na sani akwa ye. Ayo binsu ehi, ayo namon crofo so no. Obinsu bunti, it's your fajin say, Akwa you a hidodo, it's your bacon free, yes, obey in a free Hawaii. It's in your quiet in the say, Okoto brodo, and not the drogumo, Aqua could ya oh. Or Danimanoa, Aquancobian Nanoa, or see if you do bad, you do for yourself. We are bunny, we are fat, we are fat, we are papa, we are fire. So, if you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself.
Okay, so that was a wonderful performance from Izzy. Judges, am I?
Yeah, Izzy, that was very easy for you. You really did it. Why are there? And you know, the elements of performance, your intro, your everything. And you see, you have this gift. You communicate with the audience. Audience performer relationship. You're able to create it. Into obi on your board. On himself on our casa channel. Until he gets involved. Why are they? Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to keep easy in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then keep voting for him to let him stay in the competition. Our next performer is Faith Power. Faith Power. And tonight he's doing an acrobatics. Let's watch his profile.
Ghana Got Talent.
Hello Ghana, the friend John Amafo, aka Faith. But I just said, and then you can come Ghana Got Talent. Now, we can say we go to Mania. Open Google Play Store. Now download Ghana Got Talent app now. Who click this one? Johnny Faith. Vote on it. That was our vote. So me that we are now me John Amakwe, aka Faith. Faith, capital F-A-I-T-H. Faith. And that was.
A wonderful performance from Faith Power. Judges.
Faith Power. Oh, Mama 5. Why are dear pa? You did very well. Who said one guy I am multi-talented? Oh, near my who do be brought to me, a ultimate job, ultimate way, not just say one guy said that ball was wrong. Ultimate support to Panso fine. There's all the whole, if you are by an own like Keshi. Hey, we are there want to Pabu. Oh, you're a bread that. Mo Empire may ban and say, I don't for because I vote to amount. Will you go far? Okay?
Okay, so if you want to keep Faith Power in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and keep on voting for him to keep him in the competition. Our next performer is performing a song by J.A. Adofo entitled Efie Nipa. Obuoba J.A. Adofo, Efie Nipa, all the way from Obuase. Let's watch the profile of NKB.
Got Talent.
I can face tomorrow. Yeah, Ghana for it's your boy NKB. Ghana Got Talent season 1. Oh, Kumeu TV. Ena, Mugu was he. You read the Asha say, if you better more, keep you competition you more. Ube ko Google Play Store, not download the app on NKB. Do me picture. Oh, she me mean that way. Any women they be a Kumeu TV. Ghana Got Talent.
Got Talent.
Show your bang on no one I do become a new. Hey, hey, oh, 20% away, oh, hey, yeah. Fieni pase wasa, fieni pase wasa, oh. Udu yari ebechna my soul. Nasunyanu etrarada, abanu sa ubro. Fieni pase wasa, fieni pase wasa, oh. Udu yari ebechna my soul. Nasunyanu etrarada, abanu sa ubro. If any passewa, eh, ya why? Am I? If any passewa, eh, ya say. When it's a dupayano, I'll go to ya so. And your more brandness in the trasio. Oh, many so. any passewa, eh, why? If any passewa, eh, pa. Only off when I never frabra, boy, move. That's what Mutu and I know enough. Or the way I teach you so small. If any passewa, if any passewa, who do you are a bitch now, my soul? Hey, Nasuyan wet rada, Banasa, bro. If you any passewa, oh, bressa. If you any passewa, oh, brepa. Unyasika, would you be an answer? Add your money, I'm waiting to so. Or to be. If anybody I or breast, if you're tough for the area or a why, who makes it a copay Ariano and then Fanu Beko showers on my pa or some my money about the metro.
Okay, a wonderful performance from NKB. Judges, am I?
Yes, NKB. Look, what I want to tell you is that you are never boring on stage. You are never boring. I can watch you 5 hours. I won't be bored. Thank you. You have the voice. You make use of the stage. You get our emotions. Why are there, Papa? If you any baby, I'm a kind. Why are there? Why?
Okay, so that was the judges' comments. So, per se, NKB. NKB way and can be sana sem. Said the Yaba Ghana Got Talent if you any perform maha. Inti Upe say NKB Enkajumedia de Moa for phones download the Ghana Got Talent application or Google Play Store and Apple Store. Ne vote see Emma no one Kajumedia anymore. Our next contestants. Oh yeah, a kwan hieni by Adu Kwesi. The whole Accra, King of Beats by Kope. Or by Yanshan performance.
Waba, me and Marco Pemmy once and move baby, I move on me. I won't find here, no, I made me waba, me and Marco Pemmy once and move baby, I move on me. For Kaya, say Kaya and Pat, Saba Frau Bongwa, no more chichidia. I come by me once a me. I come watch chichidia, a bed and a member. A bed and a member, a bed and a member, what? Media me way. Madani Ojamfunu, Miss Rosie can what it. You said me near the for. Pause. But we said, Mammy be with you, say, I'm in another day, more for no more Diana. So. Aqua here near New Eye, me de me waba, me and a Marco Pemi was some dear mo baby, I'm moving.
Okay, that was a wonderful performance from King of Beats. Judges, Nana Batsuma.
King of Beats. That was fantastic. You've done well. Keep it up. Thank you.
Okay, if you want to keep King of Beats in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and Apple Store, and then vote as much as you can for him. Our next contestant is performing a Rama Bedu song entitled Kum Kum. Her name is Lee. Let's watch her profile.
Ghana Got Talent.
Me call mu for jaso. Bantama for. Adam kwa me esanso for. Mo amuni abali eni. Me ka Ghana Got Talent. Jumedi ayeba bedie ni. Na sese ya jumedi no eye vote ni ede kwa enimu wate ase. Enti se wan vote amame a me ni hwe eye wo ade ni. Enti de me so nyina ne se to Google Play Store. Na download Ghana Got Talent app. Who download we are Shisheli edini ye LIEE Lee. Na vote dodo bia obe vote bia vote mame. Na hunu se vote no se na mama ka akansie no what ya say. Enti no hwe na vote mame na mentime enko manim ewo Ghana Got Talent dwumadie no. Hwe me menda we ene me menda bia a ebebe bia ewo Kumawo TV. Ghana Got Talent. What ya say? Mame too ho.
Bedi me drop from one dance here. What here say? Aha. Said you over fear no. We need drop what? After some marry no now swap up a baby. What here say? Aha. She said you drop for it on. Why you call no? Aha. Come now why? Come now why? Onwana mewano, kom kom. Kom kom na waye, kom kom na waye, kom kom na waye, kom kom. Onwana mewano, ampansa na mewano, kom kom. Pejoti kakrawate. Aha, suwa hono. Sa. Odom pe kasa. Ompene ho asem. Obune ho papa. Kom na maya. Kom. Odonu ana mewa no. Free song pe kasa wate. O mama ni je oya ma pedia mame otine ni mu mobia na so peso kasanswa ade a uwane se otine trasia na wanyonye ansa na wakasa okasa chweme bibia ono de sa so hona bemena Peja utima mwate sire kakra odi sire kakra onwana mewano kom na waye kom na waye kom Dona mewanwa Anampo sana mepenwa Odoma menija Na mewanu kunku
Menite, I am a petty money, a tin animal mobia. Naso Pesoka Sansa, a dear one is say, Otinitasia, no one you, and Sano Akasa, or Casa Chame, or Bibia. Konkum Nawaye, Konkum Nawaye, Konkum.
Okay, a wonderful performance from Lee. Judges, am I?
Yes, Master Transit. Charlie, this guy is getting me jealous. Ah, Master, next time I find me why. Misu minim come here pa. Oh, you've done well. I like the act. The guy was composed. It just come naturally. Sanotiana. Oh, okay. Okay. Why are there? You were able to sing well. At the end of your performance, you brought the original voice of Irama, sub-bass type, and you did well. Why are there? Why Abrante, the Oya man and Okoya man,
Okay, so if you want to keep Lee in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then keep on voting to keep her in the competition. Our next performer is from the Central Region, and he is performing a song by J.A. Adofo entitled Yabwatima. His name is Kwame P2. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent.
Hello Ghana, it's your boy Kwame P2 here. But you watch me live on Kumewu TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Me patro Tamason. Open me course so competition in more call. For phone call Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 and that is in one app no. Me patro BM nebo Kwame P2. Patro spelling in here KUAM. I know the P2 now so. Me patro go to Mame. Share me. This Saturday, every Saturday, we are at Kumewu TV. We patro me da masia ko inshiram B man ka me
Got talent.
Hello Ghana, it's your boy Kwame P2 here. But you watch me live at Kumewu TV. Ghana Got Talent.
From Kwame P2. Maybe I see no baby, I'll be back. Oh, and yeah, easy. Ah, what up? Sabia. Wait, Sabia. C'est bien. Y'a quoi? Kwame P2 no baby, I never can on your yellow pop, but you know, be your Obi Boy, you receipts in the pay of fucking the penny. Miyoshi now will claim me, media main country, Miss Mama Yame, on the machine, if you have been free, main Kamoshi, Black Brain, I said, the Muslim, the Muslim, say, Kwame, and support to Campono, Mutim, where we said of fruit for one day, and I'm a bloody obey in any other way, the uncle, fair me, Obey to Mr. Oba, won't pay a copy to Miss Lydia, be a pie. Mankamewa. Imi ya bwazima, imi tiane yo. Imi ya bwazima, imi tiane yo. Aoya, mankamewa. Okay, man come but yeah, I was up in the Muslims and be a radical woman on the Sunday where Shabran is a crab, Yamanuma, you ask my no more tabia, Yakame woman to say Romeo, that watch Mamma Faka, to me, who went to my yatia, but they may boy be said this and we started a rap, and I may allow young boy to me, uncle. Ah, me up what's my.
Okay. A nice performance from Kwame P2. Judges, Reverend.
Yeah, Kwame P2.
Boss.
In fact, why are there?
Thank you.
Share, don't say. And then I'm not to other demo. You who say more voice, no, I had that demo. And yet, then you hey, no. Adia, all lucky answer to me, Frano, no, I'm will be answered. No, I was to say, go home. And I own say, why can I say, Unshian to my friend, I'll be Rasta and Intino. Intino, I say, go home. Mr. Yeah, share nothing to say, oh, to a jumoa communicated to Yang. Why? Thank you.
Kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote as much as you can to keep him in the competition. And now for our last contestant, she is a traditional dancer. Her name is Inshira. Let's watch her profile.
Got Talent.
sorry, my cause your dog, I'll be plenty. Now my buffer, I don't want to drink. If you pass your best before, so die away. One my mill, baby, I am you.
Okay, okay. Okay. Judges. Nana Watama.
Enshira. Ah. What's some on I fit? Why are dear Fawati? You I mean, show.
Yes, Enshira. Why are there pa? Before I'm over stage, me try mo adie bi. Mpe ya there why? No we didn't feel saying. What this says yes ampa. Me show di kukra what this says yes. Why are there?
Okay. So if you want to keep Inshira in the competition, message for phone no. Wait, the other no for phone na ko Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent application no or download there. No wa vote ama Inshira no wa ka dwumadie no emo. Na dwumadie no ye twa ye ho aba nene ye ba ye behu ne wo kofie ene ne wo tena se. Ye ntwa ye ho nya aboafo nkra to mra. Yes, sign Emma Wakwaba at the Bagana Got Talent Maiden Edition Chago Kumawood TV. So make I was say one more was a Champion Training Institute or say biogas, biodigester, CCTV installation, and a car tracking Brawonum Akachi or more office barco or additional market barco and so our patase or more number 0244 568 912. Ofre Champion Training Institute ubenya wo mo no ma ye biama o empo se wo pa adwuma na asua wo bebe wo fa sebia wo betumi edinaba na wono nso abaye opabene e wo biogas mo afi na Kiyuski Massage and Wellness Center ono nso sisa wo chepe wachi bebi ya wo ya osisi bebi a aye stiff no bra nyamfa won to ho nyanya physiotherapy na wo ho ento omo nso e wo Patase Depo Adwunase Road Ufri omuso na call Ambassadors Church eso omo number 0242932000 0242932000 afi Anolin Royal Enterprise ono so sisa wo per live band behind sound system afe asɔre mfidie TV and radio equipment upebia oba onuma kache ewo Kronom Adonko Junction ubenya wo mo na woni omo edi nkita ho afe obetumi afre omo ewo 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 ofre wo numa ubenya wo mo na wo mo de omo niema ne bi abro enne said ya mekan ya ne yemre nti ye becha niema na ntientia me pacho contestants no motimodin a no ma join ne me ewa ha enne ye ntietia motimi bo odin abo modern so beba ha CCA F to the L to the E to the X flex wadaroma pinche me ewa stage so dance like a bobia now on so baha voice trumpeter on also on join me afe dance right on also enjoying me na Rockstar Junior okay inti said ya mekan ya no ye se dwumade na se bepem na wie ya meka se fa phone na download the Ghana Got Talent application na vote money open asem na wonkem inti ene ye hye wonum mbeko fie omo emre be makwan ama wonum ede yen esi ha okay into hye emrante fefefe ya o mabeka me hu ya Kumasefo Accra for Central Region se hwe akontombra Jaboso. Okay. Inti yenche ho no emre ninti me boldin a na oko backstage na te say you are saved. So what I say. Aha. Inti ene inti amunti no na that's right. Ko echiro ma me why. Aha. Afe voice trumpeter onso betumi akwa echiri ho. Na dance like a bobia. Also, come on me. Why? Nanka mempenny for bieni. Na more to say. Mohoye. Nyamiado Mohoye. Send a young coffee. No. Hey, okay. Flex. Also, oh, Moho. Now the address say I now voice no cry the coming no the other tone no way. So unko. Edri ha no low volume no home. Okay. Sadia adie no esikoye ye no. Enne. Yemre ni ntimi chicha ni ntientiem. Nia oja ye ho akọ. Nia to dwumedie ne so. Enne ne last. A obegina stage ye so. Na are ho. Ye empire bone se mokọ no. Monko to aso na monye adwuma no na star no enhran. And a Rockstar Junior was say. No kra ho. Inti enanwumre you know a sign some technical challenges binti wa wo fi odi me ho dance ye say na watchi mu o try so be vote ba na network no enye adwuma eno nti enne yen judges ne say obi ankofie ye nyina ye sign to aso na watchi ye say na yaba beto so na enne no ye best performer say and the oya no every judges nani so mu bi da e free so oba ye nyina no enne wa wo so na prema me say yes or no so she ho Rockstar Junior. Hey Rockstar Junior, congratulations. And why are dear and the judges ne say best performance ye de ma o adadam na ye wo dia